Take the example of any country in the world or any state in our India. One thing is most common. The major city of the state or capital cities generally gets a large chunk of development, while other regions, though they have the potential, gets ignored. These cities left with no options but to wait for the government's initiatives to have their need for basic conveniences satisfied. While many of them despair, some stand out and make a big difference. Take the example of Mangalore, the coastal city of Karnataka and the only city in the state connected with three modes of transport. The city known for its unique culture and diverse community. This city has no major government funded healthcare infrastructure or transport system, yet the city has excelled in all these with great results compared to any other part of the state. Most of the initiatives in this city are private or started by its people instead of the government. Here we must mention the powerful story of the city bus network of Mangalore. This city has a large network of close to 400 city buses spread across 167 unique routes and running close to 8,000 total trips carrying lakhs of city's passengers each day. And this service network is run by a cooperative association system that is entirely private. This system is successful and most efficiently running the business for many decades. Can you name one city in India with this much large scale where there is zero government buses and entire city public transport perfectly run by its people? This is where Mangalore makes its mark, and that's what makes it worth to call powerful. So how it works? First of all, this network runs through an association of bus owners, drivers, staff and a neutral body called timekeepers. Unlike other cities, buses here runs on a very strict time frame based routine. That means a bus on its trip can't be late to reach any of its stops. It must be always on time, every time, throughout the day, throughout a week and a whole year. This strict time management is ensured by a team of timekeepers located at major stops of bus routes. This efficiency makes this service so helpful for students, workers and the general public to reach their destinations
on time, every time.
That is why Mangalore city buses are so popular and loved by people from the past many decades. Like the vibe of the city and its culture, these buses come in all colors and it is as vibrant as Mangalore is. New buses are introduced at regular intervals with all the latest comfort and entertainment options that make passengers' ride a smoother and enjoyable one. Just like Mumbai's local train, these buses have become the lifeline of this beautiful city. They are always open to new trends of trade and they are the first ones to open a smart ticketing system. Spread between numbers 1 to 65 with 167 unique routes with trips ranging between 2 to 150 for different routes with an availability frequency of 30 seconds to 15 minutes at different stops. And with an amazing speed of transfer, this public-driven system of Mangalore with its amazing time management and best-in-class service keeps the city of Mangalore engaging. Though very recently the government has introduced a few buses in some of the routes, the popularity of this private bus network is nowhere to match with. People still love to have their connection with this public-driven network, which is serving the city amazingly for decades and adding more value to the uniqueness of this wonderful city. You may be surprised to know a fact that 1,000 miles away in Chhattisgarh, the local government's ambitious city bus project in city of Raipur, Bhilai, Korba and Bilaspur, managed by a young team of city bus experts from Mangalore. The case study of Mangalore bus network applied in these cities, finding great results and also contributing a lot to their development. This story and this city is our powerful example of how people matter and how people can make a difference. They are not MBAs or they are not from business schools, but understanding what exactly a city needs and running a system so efficiently is what makes these people special. It is easy to blame the governments. It is easy to say we are not getting enough. But thinking about how we can rise to the occasion and contribute to making a powerful impact on the system is what makes you stand out among others. This city and this amazing bus network is worth to be proud of, and they are our right power of India.